Hey guys, thank you so much for dropping by my channel. And today we're going to change the tire on hubby's van. He had to pull out the tire with a hammer, and we're using because behind the screw, there's a screw.
Yeah. Tweakers are out doing maintenance work on people's houses, so we're gonna find lots more screws in the road.
So he pulled out the tire and he found the screw that got stuck in there.
We're gonna have that set level.
Need to move this stuff. It's kind of hard working on your tires when you're sitting on the ground. This way.
Or on the kitchen table.
At least this way you're more comfortable.
Most people have a garage when they do these types of shenanigans.
Right, but since we live in a small apartment, we don't have a garage to...
Can do with what we got.
And we had to find the, what do you call it to unbolt this?
Lug wrench.
The lug wrench in the trunk of the van.
Yeah, I forgot I had it in there.
Yeah, the Dodge vans have their tools in a, what do you, compartment? Is that what that's called?
It's the Mpv.
Yeah, the MPV, there's a compartment in the back. That's where he found the thing to unbolt these.
And the spare tire is conveniently hid underneath where it could be rusted whenever you need it. Alright, here goes all the air. Oh, she's a big one.
Dang.
Sure glad I got enough lighting for this. Come on, baby. I wonder if I could just screw it out. Maybe.
Don't cut the head off because it might get stuck.
Alright, you hold it and I'll pull. I guess I am going to have to unscrew it.
Yeah, it's on there good, huh?
Damn tweakers. No, it's just a piece of them. Now we're going to make the hole bigger. Because that makes sense, right? Come on. You know you want to go in there. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay. Alright. Now you spread some of that stuff that's been known to cause cancer in the state of California. At least that's what it says.
Do we buy a new one? Is that only good for one-time use, or we could still use the other ones?
I don't know if I put the cap on it.
And where do we buy that repair kit?
I got it in
Walmart?
Harbor Freight, but you could basically buy these at any hardware store, really, any automotive store. Let's see what we got. It's just rubber cement.
Rubber cement.
Yeah. I mean, they have special fancy cements for... And you go in the same hole. Supposed to go in the same hole.
You guys, so we had to put the tire down because it was harder to stick the thing in.
All right, you turn it and you yank it out.
Turn it and you yank out.
Woohoo! Yay! No more hissing.
It had to be on there because it was harder to do it on top of the table. I had to pause you guys. I had to put the phone down. Okay.
Make sure you clean off your tools.
Oh, is that it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, he said that's it. It's done. So it'll just melt on there?
No, I got cut off a little bit extra.
And then you could put it back in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, guys. So, hope that helps someone who's trying to fix their tire. Got some screws stuck because there's a bunch of tweakers in the neighborhood. Have a good one.
Tweakers. They're fun to clean up after.
All right, guys. So, he patched it all up and then made sure that he tested the air before we bring it back outside, that it has enough air in it.
Really?
Is that thing broke too?
It only does have 10 PSI.
What? How many PSI is supposed to be in there? 40?
Yeah, almost 38-ish.
That's pretty low. Give me it. Okay, guys, so now he's putting back the tire after it got plugged. We're still buying tires, spare tires, for the future because this car tire is already wearing off the threads. So we'll find the cheapest deal we can find in town because we already called around anyhow. So we'll probably get 2 good ones, 2 good tires. And then he's putting it back and using these lugs.
There you go. Get that anti-seize on you.
Why not?
It's hard to get off.
Right. Just make sure you guys wear clothes that you could use for the outside.
Yep. Find the whitest pants you can find.
He's being a smart aleck because I have white pants on.
Yep. Find the absolute whitest pants you can find.
And now he's putting it back on.
I just used my small.
Yeah, I'll show them where you found that tool.
Oh yeah, and the little
compartment.
Jack compartment.
We're trying to get it done before it starts to rain, you guys, because it looks like it's about to...
Yeah, it kind of feels like all hell's about to break loose. I changed the oil right before a thunderstorm one time, and that was no bueno.
Yay for hubby. Love you, hon.
No, I'm not going to leave them that tight.
Love you, son.
I'm just going to leave them finger tight. What is this, NASCAR?
And then he seals it real good once he takes off that thing right there.
And in a day or so, I go back over this again to make sure that they're all still snug. Because I'm paranoid. Yes, it should be done with a torque wrench, but I don't feel like fighting them later to put them back on.
And here's where he found the thing. Right there.